Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean this car, not at a gas station using their vacuum cleaner because those have become very expensive. One run takes like $3 and you can use it only for 10 minutes. Instead, I'm gonna use this RIDGID vacuum cleaner and I'm gonna show you the performance. So this is how it looks now. Okay, very dirty, no doubt. You see at the bottom, oh my god. So first I'll take a clear of the area and then I'm gonna show the performance. So I'm ready to begin with. Let me turn it on. It has been turned on. Now see how it sucks. Wow, good. I may need to read a few times, but suction is not bad. Yeah. Even some larger objects are being sucked perfectly. So I ran it for around 3 to 4 minutes, and in this much time itself I see noticeable difference. Of course, it's not yet 100% done, but yes, I need to run a few times more. But one thing is proven, this is really a good deal because every time I go to gas station I pay like $3 to $6, sometimes even $9 also to clean the car, and something I can buy in $60 to $70 and then I can run it whenever I want. This is really a good deal. So yeah, and RIDGID is a brand that provides even lifetime warranty too. So that's why I think it's a very good deal for me. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.